put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I know y'all like, what the freak is going on with this side of the room, that. It's okay. That's what this video is going to be about. This is going to be a really long video. It's just a little update, and yeah, so let's just go ahead and just get into the video. I'm over here yapping, like looking at all this clothes I gotta fold up, but yeah, this is a true girl video. Yeah, this is literally all the clothes that I have to fold. Like, it's literally a lot of clothes. I'm just gonna fast forward this and this while I figure out something to watch on my projector. Yeah, y'all. Hey y'all. Hopefully I don't look too bright and my face do look a little oily. It's like the next day that I recorded me folding my clothes, which I never got done. But today I went to the senior honor walk and it was hot. I wish I would have recorded, but I couldn't record because I used both my hands. I had some videos on my phone, but I couldn't really bring the camera to record, so that's that. Like, it was from 2:15 to 5:30. 5:30. No food, no water. That was it. That was it.
She fight to take me no win this cat, nigga can't even see me on win this cat. She fight to flight, nigga win this cat. She fight to flight me no way out of here. She fight to flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far this cat. Heard me, it's ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, out of beach, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sewer. Grow hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, man, just gon' empty shit. Bitch, breaking it, just look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. It's gonna be a
Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna walk to Target, just come back from Ulta to get some little stuff, so I'm not gonna talk, so I'm just gonna record.
The bando spinning on the crib, but look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know where I'm at, the studio I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter what I'm in.
So y'all, I'm about to eat now.
Oh, you want wings in? Oh, you want hands on? Oh, you want singing it?
Yeah, I just got home from shopping and I put these flowers in a vase that I bought from Target. I put it up with water already. But I'm gonna go in my room. Hey y'all, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this portion of the video. So right now I'm in the Asian market, and I love to get some of the same stuff in the Asian market. I never had those. I went to try those, but I didn't get those. I ended up getting these, and they taste so good. Don't knock till you try it. These, I end up not getting these because I didn't know the flavor of them. Also these right here, I have these. I love them. I haven't tried the green ones though, because I don't know. They also had these Lay's ones, like it was 2 different flavors, but I didn't try these either. I don't know, y'all. I just got scared. Prawns. And then I thought these was like regular Lay's, so I didn't get them either. Like, I don't know what those, it was hot and spicy, I don't know. And then moving on to like my favorite ice cream. I love this ice cream. So yeah, y'all go try it too. Bag is secured. Period. Yay.
Because